Hey guys, my name is Disha and welcome back to my channel. As you must have already read it from the title, I will be showing you 10 products under 100 rupees. This video is inspired by Mridul Sharma. You must have seen she does such kind of videos, and let's do my version of it. I would be showing you products under 100 rupees. These are like beauty and lifestyle products, like random miscellaneous product. If you like such videos, then please keep on watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, the first product is from Oriflame. It is the Love Natural talc. This is in the variant Cool Mint. This retails for 89 rupees, which I feel fits perfect into our budget. And this is not, you must be wondering कि ये powder में क्या अलग बात है, but this is another type of talc, not like those other ponds and all that. So it gives you very smooth finish. It smells amazing. They have 3 variants into it. This is the mint wala, and they have bigger sizes as well. And the best thing about this product is it has a very nice sheen to it, which is not like tacky and shimmery. It just shows it on your skin, and that is why this talcum powder stands out of the box as compared to other talcum powder. And I had to include in this video, I am not somebody who uses talcum powder. I guess it's been 4 years I have left using talcum powder, but in case if you are someone who uses, then you should definitely give this a try. Coming to my favorite product, this is the Lakme Insta eyeliner. Oh my god, I started my eyeliner journey with this eyeliner and the L18 one. This retails for, on Nykaa if you see, it must be for 130-140 rupees, but you can get it for around 100 rupees from any local store. And even on discounts you can get it for 100 rupees. पहले तो it was for 80-100 rupees, but अभी prices बढ़ चुके हैं इसके भी. And I still use this, you know, and I am gonna repurchase this. I don't know, I mean, you know, it is amazing. I mean, it has a good pigment, and the brush is also very thin, which you can like really work with a wing eyeliner. So I have used this eyeliner today, and I still go back to this eyeliner every time. And this is the Lakme OG product, and yeah, they have one more shade into this. Firstly they came up with this, and later they introduced few colors. I guess they also have a green color. I'm gonna link all the products in the description down below, so feel free to check them out. So this is how it looks. I mean, it's similar, but I guess this is इस पे tag पे 120 rupees लिखा है, but again on discounts and on local stores you can get these for under 100 rupees or just 100 rupees. And I really love this. It is very jhatak blue, like, you know, very electric blue wala color, and you can play around with these eyeliners. And yeah, these are my OG. As we are talking about eyeliners, here is one more eyeliner. I know, weird. This is from the Blue Heaven. This is in the shade green, and this retails for 55 rupees, which I feel is very cheap and the cheapest product in the haul. And I really love this, and also this is waterproof. So this is how it looks from the inside. I feel the quantity is great, and इसका भी brush ना बहुत पतला है, so you can just, you know, work around and play around with this, and you can make good wing eyeliner with this. Yeah, they have multiple shades. They have blue, black, brown also. So yeah, I just had to add green colors. Next product I have is from Swiss Beauty. This is the Dip and Twist nail polish remover. I just love this one. जब से Dip and Twist मैंने खरीदा तब से I have left using that acetone wala bottle. This retails for 99, but I guess Nykaa summer sale mein I got this for very cheap, which was like 70 rupees. So what you have to do, you just have to dip in your finger, twist it, and it will take away all your nail paint. As you can see, I just did right in front of you. So I really love this instead of, you know, using cotton. Heaven also makes this. Faces also make this. You can search for Dip and Twist, and there are like zillion brands out there, but I really love this one. And they also have flavored ones, so you can like choose anything you want. And I really love this. At least मेरे लिए at least ये 4-5 months चल जाता है, which I feel is very budget friendly for 60-70 rupees you're paying for. If you have any product recommendation, please leave it down below. I would love to know them and incorporate in my other videos. Next up I have is a rose water. This is from Iba Halal. If you have been watching my videos from the longest time, you must be knowing that this is the only rose water I prefer, and this retails for 65 rupees, which I feel again it's cheap and very affordable for the quantity they are giving. And you can just look up for Iba Halal brand. It is halal certified, cruelty free, vegan, and it smells amazing. So जब से I've come across this brand, I've been using इसी का rose water. You can also give this a try. The product I have is again from Blue Heaven. This is the liquid matte lipstick. This is in the shade Berry Red, and this is how it looks. Just like normal other liquid lipsticks, but they have other shades also available. These are very pigmented. I'm not sure about the rates, but I guess this is under 100 rupees. How I work with these lipsticks are I just take it and I just dab it and then I blend it with my finger, which gives me a very natural look. So even you can try doing that. I had to add fragrance in my videos. So this one is from the Revlon, the Love range. So if you have watched my perfume videos, I had mentioned this one and I really love this one. This is a set, 200 का 2 set आता है, which is like 100 rupees per perfume. You can always keep your eye on the discounts. So for 100 rupees, I feel this is a good deodorant. Smells amazing, and this comes with a pack of 2. तो दूसरा वाला variant I wasn't satisfied with that, so I'm suggesting this one. So as it's summers, I had to suggest a blotting paper to you guys. So this one is from Mr. DIY. If you have watched my Mr. DIY haul, उसमें मैंने ये वाला blotting paper दिखाया था. I bought this for 63 rupees and it has 80 sheets of blotting paper. So if you don't know what blotting paper is, अगर आपने makeup किया है, okay, so some people have T-zone oily, तो makeup oily makeup होने लगता है. So you can use one sheet and just keep it, so it will absorb all the oil and it would give you a matte look. So I am a nail paint hoarder and I had to include nail paints in this video. There are 2 Miniso nail paints, one in the shade purple, another is holographic silver. So talking about these retails for 90 rupees each. कभी कभी offer रहता है तो you can get buy one and get one. So this one is peel off nail paint, which is like really fun. What you have to do, and by the way Miniso के nail paints का glitter बहुत अच्छा रहता है. I don't want to name other brands, लेकिन बहुत सारे brands के nail polish रहते हैं, वो सिर्फ glitter ही दिखते हैं, लेकिन you know if you apply there is no glitter pigment to it. See, मैंने अभी apply किया. I don't know if you can see, but बहुत पिगमेंट है इस पॉलिश में. एंड and the best thing about this peel off वाला nail polish is that कि whenever you have to get rid of these nail polish, you don't have to use acetone, you can just peel them off, which is like really brilliant. And yeah, talking about this other one, this is the Pitura nail polish. I really love this one because इसमें बहुत glitter है and it shows on your nails, unlike other nail paints जो से bottle में glitter दिखता है and when you apply there is no glitter payoff. I really love this one. So this is silver but it is also holographic. So if you visit Miniso, I would suggest get this one. This is in the शेड पर्पल वाले का शेड नेम है ब्राइट स्टार्स एंड सिल्वर वाले का शेड नेम है सीक्वेंस सिल्वर. जस्ट इन केस इफ यू विजिट Miniso नेक्स्ट टाइम, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू पिक दीज. देयर इज वन मोर ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज फ्रॉम मिस क्लेयर. This is their Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. I just love this one. I feel Miss Claire brand is very underrated and they have good products. So ये वाला pencil, this was very cheap. I guess ये 100 के अंदर ही था, 70-80 रुपीज़ का है. And this is in the medium brown shade. I always prefer going for brown shade for my eyebrows. Black looks very tacky and horrible. So it also comes with a spoolie and इस पे ढक्कन आता है which is lost. This is pencil. You can sharpen it up. And this is very pigmented. I have been using this one for the longest time, but now I was just bored, so I got another one. And this is waterproof eyebrow pencil. So if you're a beginner and if you're looking out for a budget friendly eyebrow pencil, I would highly suggest to get this Miss Claire one because it has spoolie also on the other hand, which is very good. So yeah, these were 10 products under 100 rupees. I would be linking all the products in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. So comment and let me know down below that what products you use are under 100 rupees. I would love to buy those and check them out. So yeah, that's all for my today's video. Do not forget to hit like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and here is my Instagram ID, and I would see you in my next video. Bye.